15th November 2023, a dream took its first step. Testbook Judiciary was born with a single hope: to walk with every aspirant in the toughest journey of their lives. There were days of doubt, nights of endless preparation, and moments when giving up seemed easier. But we kept going together. When our learners achieved DJS Rank 1, Rank 19, and so many others cleared RJS and judiciary exams, our hearts soared. Yet soon the 3-year practice rule reminded us that the path to success is never without obstacles. But every struggle, every tear led to triumph. Each story of success became a reminder: dreams are worth the fight. And today, with 1 lakh of you standing with us, this milestone is not ours alone. It belongs to every learner who believed, perceived, and never gave up. From the first video to 1 lakh subscribers, thank you for letting us be part of your journey. This is not the end, it's just the beginning.